Hello, I'm P. Today, I'm sharing with you a guide to crochet this pretty headband. Let's go! You should use the cotton yarn, or any yarn that you have. First, chain 6. Chain 1 and do a treble crochet into same first chai. Finish the first row. Row 2, chain 5 and return. Do 3 double crochets into the last 1 chain space. Chain 1 and then do 3 double crochets into this space. Then, chain 1 and do a treble crochet into same space. It's finished row 2. Row 3, chain 5 again and do 3 double crochets into those space. On this space, do 3 double crochets. And chain 1. Repeat 3 double crochet. And chain 1. Repeat 3 double crochet. At last, chain 1 and do a treble crochet into last same space. Finish row 3. Continue repeat the same way. Chain 5 to start row 4 and tour. 3 double crochets into first space. And then chain 1. Repeat 3 double crochets and chain 1 more 3 times. At last, do a treble crochet into last same space. Continue crocheting according to this pattern until have the desired width. I have completed 16 rows and cut off yarn. Change to green yarn to crochet the border. Secure yarn in your way. Chain 1 and do a single crochet into the first stitch. Then chain 4. Skip 2 stitches. And do a single crochet into the next stitch. Remember to weave in the loose yarn. Then chain 4. Skip 2 stitches and do a single crochet into the next stitch. Repeat, chain 4, skip 2, a single crochet. Continue repeating until the end of this side. This side will be special, so do it as. After chain 4, let's do a single crochet into this space. Again, chain 4 and a single crochet into space. Continue repeating same way with this side. Slip stitch to finish border and add cut off yarn. Now move on to the rows. At first, chain 12. Work from the 4th chai. Do 3 double crochets into this same chai. Again, do 3 double crochets into the next chai. Repeat on the next chain. And do same way 6 more times. This is the last chai. Three double crochets. Then chain 3. Slip stitch to finish. Shape the flower and slip stitch to secure at the bottom. Continue, move on to the leaf. At first, chain 6. Work from second chai. Do a single crochet. A half double crochet into next stitch. A double crochet into next stitch. A half double crochet into next stitch. At the last stitch, do 2 single crochets. Then chain 1 and slip stitch into here. Then do more a single crochet into this last chai. On the opposite edge, do a half double crochet. A double crochet into next stitch. A half double crochet. And a single crochet into the last. Slip stitch to finish and cut off the yarn. The leaf is finished. You can hide the yarn. Attach the rose and leaves with hot glue. Next is the strap. Let do a leaf and don't cut off yarn. Chain until desired length. Join both ends.